In life, it's really easy to get distracted. All the day-to-day stuff, news, feeds can really start to pile up and seem so important in that moment. The days can zip by and you realize you've completely lost sight of the bigger picture. How do we stay calm and on track? What's it all for? Who even am I? Perhaps what we need is something to help visualize the big picture. Some sort of vision. Some sort of vision board. Hi, I'm Geordie and I'm a motion designer. Here at Canva, we're proud partners of Sydney World Pride in 2023, and we want everyone to feel super inspired to be themselves. But sometimes we need a little help to stay inspired. Am I right? In this video, we're going to show you 3 different types of vision boards. One to inspire you, one to inspire a friend, and one to inspire and motivate a group of people you're working with. Sounds like a lot, but they're super easy to create in Canva. We'll have them made in no time. Which makes me wonder why more people don't create one. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're dropping new videos every week about all sorts of tips and tricks in Canva. Watch these videos and in no time, you'll be a master. So first, what exactly is a vision board? Well, it's exactly how it sounds, a board that shows a vision. Your vision. Something you can create, print, and keep close by to remind you what's important and help you remember the bigger picture. Feeling a little burned out at work? Create a vision board of relaxing images on your next vacation destination. Or calming scenes from nature. Have a crazy big goal to achieve? Or a career plan you're working towards. Pull together a bunch of images and quotes that make that picture crystal clear. Some people even create one to usher in a new year. Vision boards help us stay motivated and on track. And using Canva, we have all the features and elements to put these together. Right at our fingertips. Let's jump in, starting with a personal vision board. I want something that makes me feel good. I'll start with a template and search for some colors that strike the right mood. I'm looking for something that I can really make my own. I think this one is really cool. There's a bit of a music party vibe and it feels fun. I'll remove the images and things I don't need. So I have a page ready to fill with all the things I love. I love Canva's range of image frames. I'll add another one that's inspired by a film reel. The easiest way to start a vision board is by knowing what images you want to include. Once your pics are all on the page, you can get creative with other elements. I'll begin by uploading a few of my favorites. Here are my mates, some of my snapshots of my fave activities, and of course my life partner Clifford! Now I'll look for a few ways to make this more my vibe. I'll find a new background. I'll search for dreamy background. Now this is a little more my style. I'm always inspired by words and quotes. So next, I'm adding some text. I'll tap T for some text and type in my catchphrase. If I move the images into the middle, I can run these lines of copy across the top and bottom. And then use a great font to make this stand out. Amazing! While we're on the topic of text, let's customize these labels a little more. I'll find a more retro style font. I can use a textured tape graphic behind. And I can duplicate these labels and use magic recommendations to find similar elements. Oh yeah, these are great. These are simple ways of calling out my favorite things. I love the added texture they bring to the design. Makes it feel real and authentic, which is what a vision board should be. Now, let's add some glam to really lift this. Maybe a few more crafty elements would be nice, with some added bling. Using terms like glitter paper or glitter collage should bring up some really great stuff. I can start dragging these on and playing with their position. Okay, this is getting there. Hopefully you can see how you could keep adding things as they occur to you. It's something I'd be really happy to have on my wall. It conveys things that are important to me, but also generally feels really bright and happy. To send it to print, just head to the Share menu and hit this button with a little truck. There's a whole range of options for printing here. I could put it on a poster or a tote bag. I could even put it on a mug to have my morning coffee in. That's sure to make me see it every day. I can also share this with friends on my socials. And if I'm sharing it digitally, then I can use fun animations. One here, and one here. Nice. I think we're done. Speaking of friends, let me show you how to make something simple for someone you love. Something you can post to social media or simply share with a mate who would benefit from a little inspo. I found this Instagram post template. It has beautiful texture and type, and some nice details around the sides too. Like always, everything is customizable. I want a quote to help my friend feel inspired and strong. What's your favorite inspiring quote? Please share in the comments. Oh, these are all great. I really love the one from Ali E. Cravalia. I think the idea of being a hero or heroine in your own life is so powerful. My friend will love this idea too, so I'll copy and paste this text in. There's a lot more words. I'll simplify the font. Include a credit here. Then I'll play around with some of these copy lines too. A nice way of adding some extra ideas. I could even write, "Love Geordie" down here. For a final touch on the copy, I'll give this text a little glow up. And now let's see if there's a more complementary background. I'll show you a trick. Once I have an image, or in this case a video, I can click the 3 small dots and select Replace Background. Cool, huh? Now I'll simply play around with some extra elements. As a pick-me-up, this could be like sending a bunch of flowers, but instead, I'll use flower elements. Sometimes in Canva, it's good to go with what you're drawn to. Start with a template that's appealing, then if you see an element you love, drop it in. Treat designing in Canva like a creative exploration. It's supposed to be fun. Okay, sorry, I got sidetracked. I think this is almost there. Perhaps some animated elements. And now this piece is ready to share. I can invite my friend to come take a look, or I can post it to social media. In this instance, I want to send it to them all finished and done. So I'll download it as an MP4 and message it to them. Nice. There's one more type of vision board I'd love to show you, and this one is a lot more collaborative. Let's say I'm part of a new community organisation and we want to develop some clear shared values. This could also work for a club, a business, or an activist group. Let's jump into a Canva whiteboard and I'll show you around. Whiteboards are a type of document with no edges, somewhere we can brainstorm and organise our ideas, mission, and values. There's literally infinite space to add ideas and thoughts. So, of course, this is a great space to work on a vision board, or a mind map, or a collection of ideas. The coolest thing is that I can invite the rest of my working group into the whiteboard, and everyone can collaborate together. We can copy and edit the text. We can start pulling inspiring images in that bring our values to life. We can organise our ideas. We can also vote. If someone jots down an idea that is really great, we can add stickers next to it to show we agree. Once that's done and everyone's happy, we can send this to print, or create a wallpaper for our computers, somewhere we can see it all the time. Again, if the vision, in this case, our values, are right in front of us, we can manifest them into reality. Okay, so that's it. Vision boards, 3 ways. What's your favourite style? How do you think you'd use a vision board in your life? Let us know in the comments. You stuck around. Hey, well, if you have some extra time, check out this video. It's a great companion to this one. Or look at the playlist. There's sure to be something on there you'll love. And if I can request just one thing, leave a like and subscribe. That'll really help others find this video. All right, thanks for watching.